use a transfer tape. Plug one of his nose holes. It'll make him stop. Here, Benji. I read it on a dog form. Okay, plug your nose hole. I don't think it worked. Bobby, why wouldn't you do it open a different cup? Maybe it did work.
Okay, Benji? Is that it? Get rid of it? That's it. Oh. Benj. What do you think, Spike? Is that it, Benj? Is that it, Benji? Nope.
What are you doing? Why
Benji, are you okay?
doing this? Hey, you think this looks good, baby?
I think it looks great. Benj.
Why are you videoing him?
Someone will put it on YouTube.
Oh my god. Benji, I'm telling you, just plug one of your nose holes. When they reverse sneeze, you're supposed to hold one of their nose holes. Does it make them forget what's
I
happening?
don't know.
No, not this one.
Benji.
He doesn't like his Christmas sweater. He's having a panic attack.